Ty, stop. I'm sorry.
Slow down, Daddy, please. I had a really long day. He's just a precious little lap puppy. Yeah, she's a little lap dog. This breeze feels nice, huh? How you doing down there, girlfriend? Do you want to join us? She's like, oh, I was thinking about barking some stuff, so I'd like to stay down here where I can run. Lick my toes. It's windy out here on the prairie this morning. I can dig it. Vivi, is that your dad? Where's your dad? Where's your dad? I hear him. Where is he? Are your hackles up? Stand down, girl. Hey, I thought we were going to take a nap in the big bed. V looks ready. You want to take a nap in the big bed with me? Tell your dad come over here and lift you up. I thought your dad was coming too. I thought we were going to have a family nap time. Oh. That's not nap time behavior. Is it? You want to come under the covers, Mama? Well, there's your dad. Too little, too late. I had to get up and pick the dogs up. On my own. I was already comfy.
Hey. Stop.
Henry's like, oh, I don't really want to take a nap. Come on, guys.
Come here. Good? What if I do this?
Is that going to put you in sleep mode? Or are you going to be in Wild Hank mode?
Yeah, what do you think? You calm me down a bit? Can I get kisses? No.
Because I got up early this morning and did yard work, buddy. I'm tired. I'm sleepy. Oh, thanks. I can sleep. I can live my body for a while.
It doesn't matter how people look at him. All that matters is how you look at him. Yeah, but he's walking around without his pants. Everyone's staring. So what? It's embarrassing. He needs to know that nothing changed. That he's still that same man to you. Can we stop talking about this?
I guess Hanky's not napping anymore, huh, V?
I'm trying not to. Come on. Is something going on here? You're acting really weird. No, I haven't. Yeah, you have. Is this about what happened the other night? What, sex? That doesn't mean anything.